Hello guys, welcome to another episode. In this video, we're gonna make this decal and we're gonna talk about everything that you will need to start a business like this.
But hold on, we're also going to give you an idea of how you can sell decals like this. It is very simple but effective, I promise you. But first, let's start with all the equipment that you will need to start a decal business from home on 2026. We recommend that you get two different types of transfers, a low tack and a high tack. You will also need vinyl, and we recommend Oracle 651. Now for our vinyl cutter, we're gonna use the graphtec CE 6060. We have shown you other different types of vinyl cutters that you can use for this business, and of course our software, we use CorelDRAW 6 to design and Cutting Master to cut. Now this is going to be today's project, and we're also going to talk about a little bit about pricing, but that'll be for later on. So now we're going to start weeding out our vinyl after it's finished. When working on big decals like this, we recommend that you add weeding boxes. We have plenty of videos in which we show you how to add them with your software and with Cutting Master 3. This will make the weeding process much easier for you, especially when they are big decals like this. And if you only working by yourself, this is very important for you to add your weeding boxes. I recommend that you guys check out the videos on how we add them. And if you like the fresh smell of vinyl weeding out and those relaxing sounds, don't forget that we have a membership for special videos like that. So just check out the perks on all the memberships and you will find it. Now let me tell you a little bit about how we make this deal. Well, in the beginning, this customer sent me a text of an idea that I can give him to promote his business. And apparently he's never come up with an idea of adding his QR code of his website. I know it is very simple, it sounds simple, but this is exactly how we seal this deal. Now, how is this a big deal, you may ask? Well, later on, he ordered this bigger decal of the same QR code that he wanted to apply on his window for his business. And this is exactly why I say this was definitely the hook that we needed to catch this big fish. We have also talked about this technique in the past. Sometimes this is all you need, something very simple. We always tell the customer that they need to add a QR code if they have a website. So that way, when people are behind their car, they can scan it and it will take them directly to their website so they can see all the services that they provide, all the important information. And this will definitely make you really good money like this project did in the past. So I suggest that you guys start doing that too. And let me tell you another secret that I learned from somebody one time. If you care for your customer, then your customer will be blessed and then you will be blessed. This is a universal rule that you must follow. If you want to make money, you must help others make money too. We have always followed this rule and we have always cared for our customers. This is why they return. We're not lucky. They just know when you are really care for their business too and that you care that they also make money. Don't always just focus on your profits. Learn that from us. If you guys like to support us, I'm going to leave a link below where you can get our QR code generator. It is very easy to use. You can just copy and paste any URL, paste it, and then create a QR code and download it. The link will be below. After we finish weeding out the decal, then we can proceed and add our transfer. As I mentioned in the intro, we always recommend that you guys get a low tack and a high tack transfer. We're gonna use our paper transfer, which is between low tack and medium, and this is perfect when we apply on glass. Now we usually apply our transfer this way. We secure the decal onto the table with little pieces of tape. But if you work by yourself, you can also use the application rollers that you are watching here. All the links of all the materials mentioned on this video will be below on the first comment or on the description. Now, based on your demand, make sure you pay attention which size of rolls of vinyl you sell the most, so that way you can supply yourself with the very same size for your transfer, so that way you don't use a big transfer for a smaller decal and this won't happen to you. But we have no choice, so this is the only thing that we had available at the moment. But no problem, because the customer paid for this. Now, based on the information that the customer gave us from measurements of the back windshield and what the software told us, we charge $180 for this project, plus the decal that he ordered separately, and also what our decal calculator told us. In case you didn't know, we have a membership for using our decal calculator, and you can use it with your gold or premium membership. Make sure you check out the perks on all the memberships below on the join button. And now it is time to apply our decal, but first we must clean the surface. We use graphtec. You can also use a homemade formula with just soap and a little bit of alcohol, and that'll do. Now it is time to center our decal, and we use 2 pieces of white tape. Make sure you always bring your toolkit. Alright, I think we have it where we want it. Now we're gonna place some tape on top. I haven't talked to Saul about how we're gonna do it, but possibly 3 sections. And now Saul is about to show you how to apply a big decal by yourself. First, we're going to remove the backing paper from the decal, and we're gonna do it like this, and then he's gonna place the decal on one side, and after that he can start using the squishies side by side like this. Now we have explained why we use the squishies this way, to avoid leaving too many bubbles, and then we're gonna focus on the middle section. I could have helped him with that big piece, but he wanted to do it by himself. And now he's going to do the same process, but pay attention. One piece of paper stick to the decal. This will happen to you sometimes, especially when it's hot and humid. We noticed that. So don't panic, just use the widger and remove it from the decal. And then you can proceed and apply the decal. Now, there's many ways you can apply a decal on glass. Some people may use a wet solution. However, we do not use a wet solution because glass does not retain as much heat as metal does, because it will take a long time to dry. However, we do use a wet solution after we apply. So now it's going to apply some graphtec. This trick we explained before, that's to remove the transfer easier.
Now you gotta let it sit there for a few seconds or minutes.
And after a couple of minutes, it is finally dry and we can safely remove the transfer. As always, we recommend that you do it carefully. And this is how the project ended up in the end. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, please give us a like, subscribe. We will see you guys again on the next episode.